So today I am dissecting this flower. I'm blanking on what the name is. I kind of forget. Oh, it's a canidula. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm gonna dissect it. So apparently my sister told me to cut it in half, so I'm just gonna cut 2 lines and then cut the rest in half. So starting right here. Oh shoot, this feels so wrong. I'm gonna have to, Nora, I'm gonna have to cut the stem shorter. I don't like this. I don't like cutting this. This feels so wrong. I'm making a mess. Oh shoot. Okay. Well, here's half of the flower. Yeah, as you can see, there's up top is where all the pollen and stuff is. Then it's very blurry, but the camera won't focus. But if you see, where is it? Those lines, the little white lines, those are these things right here. They are the stamen. Yeah, and all these, sorry, my sister told me to point with a pencil, all these petals, they're petals, and then this is the stem, and then, yeah, I don't really know what else to do, oh, yeah, and, I'm just gonna go back to it with my finger, but this right here is the ovary. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, but that is the ovary, and the, what is that called? Septals. The septals are, oh geez, right here and right here, if you can see those. Thank you for watching, although I guess you don't really, I don't know, it's an assignment, so, I don't know, but, bye.